all, welcome to HexaCorp. Today, we will have a detailed discussion about PowerApps. What is PowerApp? PowerApp is a suite of apps, services, connectors, and data platform that provides a rapid application development environment to build custom apps for your business needs. It is a software as a service solution that allows companies to build business apps quickly and efficiently. PowerApps is very simple to create and use. It does not require deep technical knowledge or programming skills. It facilitates two modes for app development. One is tablet and the other one is phone. Why we should use PowerApp? We can quickly create apps that work on any device using templates and a visual designer to automate the workflows and to make it work on all the three major platforms: iOS, Android, and Windows. We can share PowerApps like documents. You don't need to write a single line of code. PowerApps include Azure App Service for employee-facing apps, so native web and mobile apps get into employee hands faster than ever. Data security and privacy controls are respected by PowerApps, so you can manage data access and maintain corporate policies. What are the types of PowerApps? Canvas app, model-driven app, and portal app. Canvas app. Canvas app starts with user experience. It is a task and role-based app that can mash up data from 200 plus sources. This app features tailored out-of-the-box solutions, embedded forms, and dashboards. Design the app by dragging and dropping elements onto a canvas, just as you would design a slide in PowerPoint. Model-driven app. Model-driven app is a highly customized task and role-based app built on the common data services for apps. It has rich design capability. It starts with a data model, relationships, and business processes and built as an end-to-end business applications. Portal app. Portal app is a low-code solution for creating multilingual, responsive websites for users external to your organizations as well as internal employees. Which type of data source will be supported by PowerApp? You can also connect many more external data sources based on your requirement. Data sources like Excel files, SharePoint list, CRM records, your custom APIs, Office 365, Dropbox, and OneDrive. How to create Canvas app in PowerApp. Select the layout. Connect in your data source. Select display node. There are two types of PowerApp forms. One is edit, which allows to edit, and the other one is view, which displays preview. What are the building blocks of PowerApp's development? Controls, properties, formula. Controls. UI building blocks like label, button, text, controls, gallery, etc. Properties. Updates working of control to your right side of the layout in regard to the selected control. Formula. Builds logic. That is, we can integrate any conditional formatting. Thank you all. Hope the session was informative. Kindly subscribe our channel for further training session and the discussions with us.